Hello everyone! This is the moment! Today is the day to find out who will finally reap the awards in the Grueling Star Olympics 2002. So, I won't keep you waiting. Let's take the Star Olympics 2002 to the finish!
Kaso ang unang free throw ni John.
Fitness center. Ito, nasa loob.
Medyo nakanakaw.
22 again.
Nicky Sandoval.
Medyo hesitant yung Verde Tavira. Pero ito, nagkaroon tayo ng your arm weary, leg weary na rin. Nakikita mo tumatak, tumitigil tayo. And there's Alcantara who had some rest in the first half.
Oh. Well, there's a 24-second shot clock. So, pwede bang medyo drain nitong Lactum Red yung shot clock.
Alcantara, jumper.
Yes, that should be the insurance
With 7
basket.
seconds left.
Yeah, to go.
Bakit sila ang nag-foul? Gusto kong malaman. Pero 4 seconds na lang, so ito ang numero 23 sa kabila, si Royce Rosello going all the way for the layup.
Pero,
At kung may
hindi na naman pumasok. Na-rebound ni Boy.
Boy to, yes, 2 points.
And
Boy,
score.
season stat.
Amazing. At ito ang si Rosello.
Na napansin natin, mahusay sumaksak. At yun, pinakita
Number
niya muli.
23, Roy.
Kanya
Ito si Wahoo. Indoors, missed it. Gets the follow-up. It still doesn't fall. Hawak pa rin niya yung bola.
rebound. Sabi nga natin, siya yung mukhang matangkad. Dito sa labanan na to.
Siya sa linya siya. I think siya yung anak ni Maru, kay Ali. Pero
Could be.
i-verify natin yun. Ha?
Val.
For DK.
For Clean Blue. RK Bagaching with a shot. Three-pointer. 4 minutes left here in the first quarter. Here's RK Bagaching once again.
RK Bagaching.
By number 12, that's Paulo Gabriel.
Well, Gabriel scores with a foul. Well, maybe trying too hard is this gentleman, number 23.
Si Rosello. Kasi ng Clean Blue sa ilalim.
Well, lahat pumupunta na nga sa kanya. That is correct. Samantala, ito na naman.
Follow up by Paulo Gabriel.
Yung pagkasabi sa kanya.
And they're finally able to get it across the line.
Just barely beating that violation from that court. RK Bagaching.
Saka imbis na sumasaksak sila, they're settling for the jump shot.
Nino Alejandro.
Nino Alejandro. Ito si RK Bagaching. Nice move.
RK Bagaching. 2 points.
Parot ng kapos.
Okay.
Tapos ito, sasalaksak. The layup. Si Juan Mig, finally nailing one.
He's so happy about it.
One Mig Bondok with one big basket. Para dito sa Clean Blue. And Orange trying to catch up. At
Si Aaron Concepcion nagpapasab.
hinihingal na. Hinihingal na. Right, pero may steal pa rin. Yung
Royce.
Orange.
With a
Celine
big
Orange.
pass at pumasok.
pasok yun. Yung Martires.
With 19 seconds
At yung
left.
coaching staff ng Blue. Clean Blue, hindi nagtatawa-tawa na. Ito dito sa junior division. One last heave for, they call it a game at yan na, tapos na.
And that's it, mga kaibigan.
Final score is 37-30.